Hi guys, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. I would like to greet everyone, Happy Valentine's Day. And also to my mother-in-law, Mama Sally, happy birthday. Nagkataon rin ang kanyang birthday is Valentine's Day, this February 14, 2026. Happy birthday, Ma. Always remember that we are here for you and we love you so much. Enjoy your special day with family and friends. Stay healthy and stay happy. Yun lang po guys. Happy Valentine's Day again. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-follow sa aking Facebook and YouTube channel. Ingat po tayo lagi and always pray to God. Ask for guidance and wisdom because with God, we can achieve the things in life, no? Kahit paano lang. Siya palaging nagmamahal sa atin. Yun lang po. See you in the next video guys. Thank you for watching.